Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. On this video I'm going to be doing this easy trendy hairstyle that you've been seeing around. It's so simple to do, very easy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get into it. I am doing this hairstyle on wet washed hair, and I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel and this detangling brush to just flatten my hair. My hair is thick, so I'm going to start putting the gel in the middle and then flattening it with this detangling comb. After I have applied the gel in the middle, I'm going to start sleeking down the front. So I'm going to put some gel. I'm going to put enough gel to make sure that it's easy for me to slick down the hair. I'm flattening it with my hands, and then after that I'm going to take a detangling brush and sleek it down all the way through to where I'm going to tie my hair. I'm making sure that I am putting enough gel, brushing it down, and sleeking it enough for it to be a nice sleek ponytail all throughout my head. And that's how I sleek down my thick bossy hair. So I've basically gone all throughout my hair, section by section. I'm at the last section. I'm just going to repeat it, just stretch out the hair using my hands, and then I put the gel to sleek it down. And then after putting enough gel, I just brush it down. And after brushing it down, just use my hands again to sleek it down. And I am done with that. I am first going to use a loose string to control it enough and make sure that my hair is tight enough on top, not too tight that it hurts my head, but tight enough for the bun to be sleek. At the end, I'll just insert that last piece of string inside the bun. And now on top of it, I'm going to use a hair tie, a connected hair tie. This one is not loose. And then I'm going to take it all around my head, making sure that that string that we put underneath is secure and underneath this hair tie that we're using now. This is a double securement of this sleek bun to make sure that it doesn't loosen up when we putting in the extensions. And I'm just going to put it into the bun for now, and then later I'll just use a pin to pin it down to make sure it's very secure. I'm then going to braid out this hair on top because it's going to be underneath the extensions that I'm going to be used for the ponytail. As I said before, I'm just twisting that hair tie, and then I'm going to pin it down to secure it to make sure that it's very secure. I'm just going to braid those braids on top together and then just put them inside that bun just to make it a small bun so that we can have our extensions on top of that bun. I am putting more gel on top just to sleek down all those flyaways that you guys can see. Those are the shorter hairs on my head. They couldn't be caught by the bun, but it's fine because when we put on the a scarf just to lay down the hair, they will be laid. I'm going to put 2 scarves to lay the hair. One is going to be put in front to lay the hair around the bun, and then the other one I'm just going to wrap around the bun just to make sure that all those flyaways near the bun are also laid. And then I'm just going to put a bonnet on top of it all just to make sure everything is covered. I let it dry overnight because I didn't want to use a hairdryer or a hooded dryer. And then I just bought this magic 1-pack of hair that they mostly use for this hairstyle. The color I chose is 1BT30, I think. To install this hair, I just folded it in half, and then in the center section I put on a clip, which I'm going to clip onto the bun that I have already. And then I'm just going to take that hair around my head until I get to the end. When I get to the end of that extension, I'm going to clip it down again. So I basically clip it down when I start, and then I clip it down again at the end. I'm going to go down, I started with the longest extension, which was 24 inches, and then I'm going to go down to 22 inches. So that's what I'm basically going to be doing. So put the clip in the middle, clip it onto my hair. When I clip down the hair, the next piece of hair, I go further up, making sure that this hair will have some volume. It won't all be at the bottom, causing that hair to be kind of see-through at the top. So that's my trick to making sure that it has a volume, but also it doesn't have gaps. When I think that ponytail is thick enough, I'm going to take hair from the bottom, which is what I'm going to wrap around the hair at the bottom, because that style is basically like that. You take some hair, you can use a different kind of extension to do this, but I decided I just wanted to blend in together, so that's why I'm using the hair I used for the ponytail to wrap around the bottom of the hair. So I'm going to do that until I get to a place on my head when I think it's enough and it looks good on my head. I'm busy taking more hair and going up the hair, the ponytail, and I'm going to do that until it looks cute. And at the end of that, after securing enough hair around that ponytail, I'm going to clip it down. So I'm busy taking that hair around the ponytail, and the only time I'm going to clip it down is when I feel like I've taken enough hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. What I love about this extension is that it's ombre, so I love that it blends in with my hair. My hair goes from dark, the extension goes lighter, and the ends are very light. So this is a super cute hairstyle, especially for summer. When I'm done, I'll just move that hair around and neaten it up. There's only one extension left on the pack because I didn't want this hair to be too thick. To finish off the hairstyle, I'm taking a gold string and then I'm going to tie it at the ends just to secure it. I'm first going to take that string around the bottom of my hair 2 times to secure it, and then after that I'm going to start taking it up just to make that hairstyle super cute and also just to make it artsy. I'm going to do that until the string has gone around until the end, and then at the end I'm going to tie it up again to secure it, and then I'm going to put it within one of those strings at the bottom. With the string, it's basically freestyling now. I'll just have enough where I think this looks cute and I'm enough with it, but you guys can go further and put on more if you like that look. And then this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment below on anything you'd like to say, and let's have a discussion on the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one and we'll be trying this hairstyle. Let me know below, and goodbye.